that Heather Mason, the main protag of Silent Hill 3, was suffering from something called Alice in Wonderland syndrome. Now, I can't really go into what that is right now because I can't exactly remember what it is. And it had nothing to do with why my theory was bad. Oh, I think it's about seeing certain lights and stuff and getting headaches and dizzy spells, things like that. And that kind of matched what Heather was going through. And I remember first time I tried to bring that theory up, nobody except for one person actually interacted with the theory. And they basically insulted it. Well, insulted me, but I mean, that was years ago. Many years ago. And I also had theories about Danganronpa, the third game specifically. And I couldn't get anybody to even entertain any of my theories. And I actually admit that maybe with Danganronpa, coming up with theories might be weird, considering I don't know how much actually matters between games. Whoa. There she blows. A wheelchair. This thing's big. Wow. I was not expecting to catch one of those things. Okay, I'm gonna try to get another red snapper here. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go into the water. Oh, of course. Well, I was going into the water anyway. I'm going to give the whale thing there to the museum, but I'm honestly curious how much it's gonna sell for. So I'm gonna check that out first. Yes, I got a mantis shrimp. Shrimply amazing. Huh. I honestly